Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks, especially for Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and the first tips I'm going to show you is about double tap to turn on or turn off screen. I'm going to show you how we can activate that feature. I'm going to go to my settings application and we're going to go to the advanced features. Wait guys, go to the advanced features and select the motions and gestures, and here you'll be able to activate double tap to turn on or turn off your screen. This feature will be very useful if you don't want to turn on or turn off your phone with power button, and it will help you if there is something wrong with your power button, so you don't need to turn on or turn off your phone with your power button. And here guys, you'll be able to activate the lift to wake feature. If you want to wake up your phone, you just need to lift your phone and your phone will be automatically turned on. Okay, here you'll be able to activate the mute with gestures and palm swipe to capture, and it's up to you. You can activate the feature according to your needs. Okay, and then the second feature I'm going to show you is about the assistant menu. So this is how the assistant menu looks like. From here, you can get quick access to some features such as brightness, cursor, and then volume or screenshot, and you can customize the item guys. I'm going to show you how we can activate this feature first. You can go to your setting, of course, and then you're going to go to the accessibility setting. You can scroll down until you find the accessibility. Okay, and then you're going to go to the interaction and dexterity, and here you'll be able to activate your assistant menu. Okay, and if you want to edit the assistant menu, you just need to select this option, and then you can select assistant menu items, and these are the items you can display on your assistant menu. You'll be able to add screen rotation as well if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and the third feature I'm going to show you guys is about the navigation bar. You can go to your display setting, and here you can choose navigation bar. Okay, and here you can remove your button guys, and you can change it to the swipe gestures like this, and this is the result. As you can see that the bar has been removed from my screen. Okay guys, and that's all of the Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks you should know, especially for Samsung Galaxy with Android 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.